Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you the best ways by which you can generally earn nearly around $200 per day. Before that, if you are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh Chowdhury from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online and various other cool ways by which you can generate good amount of money. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos, I can send notification to you people. And yes, in this video, as I said, you will be able to learn the strategy by which you can generally earn nearly around $200 every single day, and that is totally free of cost. You don't have to invest any money anywhere. Okay, and thing is that anyone can do. There is no bar, no age bar. Basically, if you are any maybe a housewife or student or maybe any corporate person who does want to any of that extra source of income, then this strategy will be helpful for all the peoples, right? And most important part, for this strategy you don't need any kind of technical knowledge, but yes, if you have basic and decent idea of internet, and if you know how to operate internet, that's all the sort what you need. And thing is that this is the step-by-step process. I'll guide you the ways, and make sure you people do the same thing so that you can generate nearly around $200 every single day, so that at the end of the month you will be able to generate nearly around $6,000. That is pretty awesome, right? So before getting started, you need one thing that is called as pixel helper, Facebook pixel. So understand one thing, what is Facebook pixel? So there are a lot of business who are running Facebook ads. So thing is that Facebook pixel, that is helping to retarget all the existing customers. Suppose you have ordered, maybe you are browsing any of the product on Amazon, maybe a trimmer or maybe a mobile phone, right? So after you quit your Amazon browser, then maybe if you are into Facebook or maybe if you are into Instagram, you will see the same product. That is called as retargeting. Okay, so there are a lot of business who are running Facebook ads and then knows the value of Facebook ads, the availability, the reach, the target, everything is good in Facebook. So if you can help them, that if you integrate a Facebook pixel on your website, then you can retarget all the visitors, all the people who has visited your website, or maybe who has seen your ad on somewhere on their particular mobile or devices, anything. So initially for that you have to install one plugin that is called as Facebook pixel helper. So what is this plugin? This is the plugin, and yes, if any profile has any website who has installed Facebook pixel, then it will show you that this particular page has installed Facebook pixel. So I'll show you what exactly it looks like. If you go to Google and search for any business, any means any business, and yes, you can literally do your business all over the world. And thing is that you have to simply type for the business. Maybe if you want any kind of maybe as I'm in Bangalore, so I'm just searching for kids doctor. You can do with the same thing, maybe a lawyer, maybe dentist, maybe artist, maybe singer, maybe dancer, maybe gym instructor, anything. Okay, you can literally target any of the business, and you can find there are a lot of people who has the websites, and you have to simply open the websites, and you have to check whether they have installed Facebook pixels or not. So say something, for example, I'm opening this particular website, and randomly I'm also opening a couple of other websites which is my targeted area. And most important part, as I said, you can do the same thing for any of the international area as well. Say something, for example, painter in Texas. So I'm targeting the area of Texas. Basically I'm targeting the client of Texas, which is in US, and you can do the same thing from anywhere of the world. Okay, so generally I have opened this particular website, and I found this, but they don't have any Facebook pixel installed. So this is one of my targeted customer. So let's see some other. Yeah, this particular website, it has installed the Facebook pixel. So you can see the pixel ID. So initially this is not the targeted customer. So our targeted customer is this particular kind of this website who doesn't have Facebook pixels installed, and yes, we can simply yes, even this particular website also Facebook pixel installed their Facebook pixel. So you have to browse different website and you have to find out all this all the website where they don't have installed any of the Facebook pixels, so that you can help them. So apart from that, also Facebook is Facebook pixel, you can see this is one of the website where they have live chat. Okay, so live chat is one more thing what is very interactive, and if you can educate the business owner that I can install Facebook pixel or maybe I can install live chat. The thing is that what you have to do, you have to contact the business owner and you have to just educate them that you can install live chat or maybe the feature of Facebook pixel that is free of cost. Maybe you will take little bit charges for them. So initially, in order to add Facebook pixels or maybe live chat, it is very easy. So this is one of the websites to talk to. There are plenty of other websites as well from where you can initially sign up and you can integrate the plugins of live chat. So initially you have to contact to the business owners and you have to inform that your Facebook on your website you haven't installed Facebook pixels or maybe you don't have any live chat. So the person, those people, those business owners, you have to make them understand basically. Okay, so basically you can understand about your Facebook pixel, the benefit that you can retarget the customers, or maybe the benefits of live chat, that you can convert the visitor into customers and you can take the leads with the help of live chat. This is so awesome, and thing is that you have to make them educated because you are the cold information for them. Okay, so they don't need any of your help. Thing is that you are approaching to the customer and you are trying to help them. This is what main motto, and if you can make them educated, if you can give them some value, then automatically they will buy from you. So say something, for example, you are installing Facebook ads and Facebook pixel and talk to or maybe any of the live chat on their website. This is pretty simple. Thing is that if you simply search on maybe how to install Facebook pixel on WordPress, or maybe how to add Facebook pixel on Wix or maybe Shopify, you will get plenty of information, plenty of instruction. Simply you have to install the Facebook pixel code into their WordPress website or the backend of that particular website. That's it. Then automatically it will run. So simple thing is that you have to help them with by installing Facebook pixel, and maybe also you can help them with work too. Something, for example, you are charging $10 or maybe $20 in order to install the Facebook pixel or maybe live chat on their website. So say something, you just need only 5 customers in order to generate $100 of commission per day, $100 of revenue per day. So initially what you can do, you can write a mail to the particular prospective customers, those people who don't have Facebook pixels or maybe they don't have any live chat feature. Then you can simply, or else if you have you can contact, if you see the number, you can contact that particular person or the business, and yes, they will be able to agree with your point. If you can give them some value, if you can give them some features, that this is the feature and this will be give you a benefit. This is how you have to sell your services. Initially you can draft a mail and you can send emails to 50 to 60 people, 50 to 60 business owners, and yes, out of that, say for example 20 people has agreed that they need Facebook pixel installed, or maybe out of 20 people, let's say something, for example 10 people has agreed with your price, and price is $20 Facebook pixel and maybe including live chat as well. So you will be able to generate $200 and that is pretty awesome. Yes, right. So maybe you have to work for 2 to 3 hours of per day, but yes, her revenue is also awesome. And yes, you need to simply write down some of the emails. You have to follow up with the clients and understand one thing: the clients, they won't agree at the first step, at the first stage. You will have to do multiple follow-ups, then only they will get agreed with your point or with your price. This is so simple, and you can generally sell your services, and there are plenty of people who are doing the same thing. So let me know if you have any other concerns or if you have any questions as well. I'll try my level best to help out you people. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of the videos in future. So thank you so much for watching the whole video. Have a great day.